Hi, welcome to our newly renovated matrimonial home. As a newlywed couple, we wanted a comfortable home of our own, so we decided to proceed with the renovation. There wasn't any theme in mind, but we were quite specific about the materials to furnish the new interior. We entrusted our home renovation to our interior designer Eric, who knew exactly what interior aesthetics we were going for. Our home stirs toward a vintage old school, yet timeless design that instantly draws attention with our bold and unique choice of tiling and flooring. We love the cooling feel of the 80s retro style terrazzo tiles, so we requested it for our living room flooring. The living room was kept to a simple, minimalistic style to make it easy for cleaning. There was a series of detailed thought process that went into the open concept kitchen design. The frameless glass door partition was incorporated to visually enhance the open concept layout. The broad and spacious island table provides plenty of space for cooking preparation for a frequent cooker like me. I personally wanted something green for the kitchen walls, so our interior designer recommended this versatile teal color that lends a unique character to the interior. The bold contrast of accented colors lightens up the mood while breaking the monotony of the interior. The eclectic use of colors and patterns can also be discovered in the bathroom. The retro black and white mosaic tiles of the customized bathtub injects vibrancy and dimension that blends well with the overall interior theme. The striking contrast between various patterns, colors and textures exudes an unconventional yet edgy and quirky vibe that sets this home apart from other vintage eclectic interiors. Eric's propositions were very creative and design-centric. We loved the way he was very forthcoming about our design choices, instead of sugarcoating his words and going along with everything we suggest. The interior lab team made this smooth sailing renovation journey possible and successfully turned our dream home into a reality thanks to their skilled workmanship. The interior lab helped us to feel at ease constantly throughout the renovation process. We recommend the interior lab for their trustworthy and professional service.